Hey English learners! Welcome to our A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and learn new words and phrases. Today, we're going to talk about being organized. This is an important topic. If we're organized, it makes our lives easier. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's talk about being organized. You might wonder why this is important. Well, being organized helps us feel less stressed and more in control. Let's talk about a few ways we can be more organized. First, it's helpful to make lists. Lists are like your map for the day. You can write down what you need to do, like chores or homework. This helps you remember everything and feel more organized. And it feels great to check things off your list when you're done with them. It's also important to set priorities. This means deciding what's most important and doing those things first. You can look at your list and see which tasks need to be prioritized. This helps you manage your time better and not feel overwhelmed. Keeping your room and your workspace tidy is important too. Imagine trying to find something in a messy room. It's hard. Keeping your bedroom, office, and desk tidy helps you find things more easily. It also helps you feel calmer and more focused. Another thing that can help you be organized is using a calendar. This can help you remember important dates, like birthdays and appointments. You can write these things on the calendar so that you don't forget. You can also use the calendar on your phone and set reminders there. This is a fantastic way to stay organized. And lastly, one other tip is to plan out ahead. If you plan your next day or your next week, you'll know what to do on those days. If you don't have a plan, you might feel disorganized, and you might not know what you need to do. So having a plan that you can follow can really help. So those are some easy ways to keep your life organized every day. Making lists, setting priorities, keeping your space tidy, using a calendar, and planning ahead. If you do all of this, you might feel less stressed and more in control. Let's review some of the words in this video that might be new for you. The word chores refers to tasks that you do at home, like doing the laundry and cleaning the bathroom. The phrase check things off your list means that you have a list of tasks to do. And when you finish them, you make a mark like this on your list. When you feel overwhelmed, it means that you feel bad because you can't handle something. It's too much for you. The word tidy means organized and clean. You should try to keep your room tidy, and messy means the opposite. This means that things are disorganized and not clean.